Happy 63rd birthday, Paul here from England, who's currently in a pub. And yeah, wishing you all the best, and thank you so much for all the resources and time and effort you've poured into so many of our lives. It's much appreciated. God bless.
Hey Paul, Hugh here in Italy, and that's partially because of all your teachings with Lean, allowing me to free up time to enjoy myself. And thank you for changing my life and many, many people in my life and sphere of influence. Happy 63rd, and I wish you many more.
Hi Paul, greetings from Daniel here at Sussex Campervans, firmly in the Gemba, firmly in the trenches, getting on with it. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and thanks for all your input to us, how you've sewn into us and added to us. We're really grateful. God bless you.
Hey Paul, Jeff Parson from Traffic Safety Supply in Portland, Oregon. Happy 63rd birthday. I think it's providence from the great Lord above that I learned about you in 2-Second Lean, and it's really helped my company and a lot of my people. So just wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Hey Paul, it's Dimitri. Happy 63rd birthday. You don't look 63 to me, so let's just call it an even 50. And you've been a blessing in my life, and I hope that you have a very blessed day.
Paul, you're a non-stop inspiration to so many people. I want to thank you for all your contributions, and also a happy 63rd birthday. I hope to have half the energy at your age. Take care.
Happy birthday, Paul. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, and just wanted to tell you thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that you've done for me, for Sunrock, for my family. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Hey, Paul. Everyone here at EM Express would like to say something. First, I would like to wish you a happy birthday. Myself hopes you have a great drink today. They saved the best for last, Paul. That would be me. I hope you have a wonderful year. Keep up the great work. Keep motivating people. Thanks for everything you do.
G'day Paul, Anthony here from Vietnam. Fiona and I wish you a very happy birthday, many happy returns. Hope you have a great celebration.
Hey Paul, happy birthday. Well, another year gone. Fantastic. Please keep sending those amazing videos, keep sending all that amazing inspiration on 2-Second Lean, and yeah, I keep looking for the 5%. They're out there somewhere. I will inspire them. Thank you for inspiring me. Cheers, mate.
Happy birthday, Paul. Best wishes for a long and healthy life, and more power to you for making this world a better place. Thanks for being the person you are.
Hello Paul, happy birthday. I wish all the best to you. Besides being a lean guru, you are also a great human being that is impacting and inspiring people all around the world. So, thank you.
Hey Paul, happy birthday my good friend. You're the best, man. Thanks for everything you do. We greatly appreciate you. Have a great one, bud. Love you. Take care.
Hey Paul, thank you for continuing to be an inspiration to myself and many others around the world. Happy birthday, my friend.
Hey Paul, just wanted to wish you a happy 63rd birthday. Hope you have a good day and hope you enjoy it.
Happy birthday, Paul. Alex here, sending you a little video from Little Rock, Arkansas. And I mainly want to just say happy birthday, but also thank you. Thank you so much for the community that you've built, the community of givers, the community of helpers, and just friends that we've created through this community. It's amazing. It's something that fills me with joy, and it's thanks to you. We all thank you for that, and have a great birthday, party all day, do whatever you do, kite surf if you have time, and just have a great birthday. Take care and hope to see you soon.
Hey Paul, from one cool dude to another. Happy birthday, buddy. Paul, this is Paul from Ukraine, and I wish you very, very happy birthday and thousands improvement in your life.
Yo, Paul, what's up? You are, buddy. It's your birthday. Have a great birthday and lean blessings.
Hey, Paul, this is Stefan. Have a great birthday and see you soon.
Hey, Paul. Just wanted to say thanks for all you've done for the lean community, and we love you and happy birthday.
Paul, happy birthday.
Paul, wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Thank you so much for making a great change in my life and having such a great impact on it. Thank you so much for your great generosity with your time and your great ideas. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Hey Paul, I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and all the best, and thank you for all you do in our lean community. Cheers from CFN.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Hello, Paul. Happy birthday from all your friends and all your followers from Sikh Matters and from Ireland. We hope you have a brilliant day, and thanks for everything you do for the lean community. We really appreciate it.
Happy birthday, Paul! I hope you have an amazing day today, and thank you for being an inspiration to me and all my friends in the Netherlands. See ya in September.
Hey Paul, it's Norm here in southern China, and on behalf of our whole team at DGSH, we just want to thank you for all the support and encouragement over the years. And just to show how powerful your impact is, I'm sitting on the floor in our washrooms at our Chinese factory. That's 2-second lean. Thanks so much.
Hey Paul, I wanted to extend birthday wishes to you, and I wanted to do it in a way that I only do for very special people in my life. So here goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Paul Akers. Happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, Paul. Congratulations to 63 trips around the sun. We appreciate everything you do for us in the lean community, and we can't thank you enough. So have a great day and enjoy the next year to come. Thanks.
Hey, Paul. Happy birthday, my friend. From all your friends at AME, have a really happy birthday. You are solid gold, and you deserve every accolade that you get. Again, happy birthday, my friend.
Happy birthday, Paul Akers, our friend. Your inspiration knows no end. 2 seconds a day is all it takes to make a difference that won't break. Your book, 2-Second Lean, has changed the game and made us all want to do the same. We thank you for your wisdom and insight and for making our work feel just right. So here's to you on your special day. We hope it's filled with joy and play. Keep up the great work that you do and know that we appreciate you. Happy birthday, Paul Akers, from Rick Black.
Birthday, Paul, from the UK. I really hope you're having an absolutely amazing day. Hopefully you're out there kite surfing or otherwise in Japan doing whatever you enjoy. Thanks so much for everything you do for the community.
Happy birthday, Paul. Very grateful for you and looking forward to hanging out with you in Japan in October. God bless.
Hello Paul, happy birthday. I'd like to give you a big shout out to you as well for everything you've done for me over the past many years during 2-Second Lean. And one of the greatest experiences in life to date is being able to visit you at your home and being able to see Fast Up. So I'd like to say a big thank you and also a big massive happy birthday.
Paul, Noel here. Just want to wish you a happy birthday. There's no doubt that you've impacted many people's lives throughout the world through implementing lean and how generous you are with your time and all wee snippet as to how you've changed my life over the last wee while. 5 years ago I was a couch potato, not fit to run that myself. Someday I would be taking part in my first marathon in Belfast, and that's part of some of the life changes since I've made through me and obviously through this for myself. So happy birthday, have a good one, and see you in Ireland.
Hey Paul, you're looking great. You're aging in reverse now, so you're probably you probably went from being older to now you're 39. So happy 39th birthday. And thank you for all that you do and for all the things that you've shared. And this is to many more years of having a great time with you.
Happy birthday from Peter Down Under and our entire team at New Macy. We really appreciate your never-ending contribution to Lean. It's helped us immensely and helps everyone around the world. We really appreciate it. Hope you have a great birthday. And fantastic year.
Oh, buddy, happy birthday. Man, do we miss you. Spring here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm up on top of Galbraith. See flowers starting, Mount Baker in the background. Beautiful spot to hang out after work. Man, the world's crazy these days. You're an amazing man. You did a great job teaching us. We're getting through it all because of all your help and guidance, but having you gone for so long really makes us appreciate everything you did and how amazing you were. But Colby's been stepping up to the plate. He's been doing an amazing job and we're getting through it, and we can't wait till you can come back. Love you, Paul. Miss you. Hope you're having a good time.
Hey Paul, I'm going to be forever grateful for you showing me how to see the waste. It's changed my life, and I wish you a happy birthday. Hopefully it's fabulous.
Hey Paul, Conrad here. Thank you for the influence that you've been on my life, and hope you have a wonderful year. Wish you a happy birthday.
Hey Paul, Brandon here. Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday today, and thank you for the amazing impact that you've had on my life. It's something I'll never forget. Have a great day.
Paul, Matt here. Just want to say a massive happy birthday. Thank you for all of the contributions. The learning has been out of this world. I remember you said that you wanted to change the world, and wow, I think that you've done that. We really appreciate all of the learning, all of the opportunities to improve ourselves, and I can't imagine what it would be like without having stumbled across the first book. It's been a great journey, and we will continue. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Well, Mr. Paul Akers, happy birthday. It's hard to believe how much time has gone by since that fateful day that you were silly enough to put your phone number in your book and I called you. I was looking at some old pictures and my beard is like black and we look young, and yeah, not so much anymore, but there's been very few people in my life that have had the impact that you've had, not only just with your teachings but with your support and advice along the way. So another year has found us, but we're a year better for it. Thanks for everything, Paul. Happy birthday.
Eating a banana, but he won't let me send a birthday wish. Jeez. Anyways, happy birthday, Paul. We hope you have a great time, and thank you for always challenging Brad and keeping him on his toes. Have a great day.